I'm George Giering. I'm the president and CEO of Giering Metal Finishing. I think that the benefits of electrocoating, certainly in the automotive industry, but also military and several other OEM applications, is the fact that it offers significant corrosion protection. It's also a thin coating for anybody that's looking for high tolerance finishes, especially as an organic finish. It's really consistent, it's uniform throughout the entire part. It's also low cost. Because it's automated and the system is fairly set up to run the same finish all day, every day, you don't have those significant setup and teardown costs where you do with powder or liquid paint. And it's a phenomenal primer, but a lot of people push the limits of Electrocoat to be the final finish because it's such an aesthetically beautiful finish.